Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Easter Donald Duck. So first let's get started with our hat. So on the left hand side we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in, and then we're going to leave quite a big gap coming over on the right and replicating that. We're going to close this off on the top and bottom now with a straight line. Now let's move up drawing in the rest of the hat. So on both sides again, stepping in, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes up towards the top. And then again, we're just going to close this off with another straight line. Moving down again, we're going to draw in a straight line across. Now let's move across for the bunny ears. So in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, arching this line all the way around and then down on the side. And then as we come over on the left, again, we're going to curve this line around and then back down. Now stepping over towards the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again, moving over on the left, arching this line around and then back down. Now let's draw in the Easter egg. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way down towards the bottom of our page, bringing that in towards the middle. And then again, we're going to replicate this on the right-hand side, curving this line all the way around, and then back in on the bottom. And then now coming up in the center, we're just going to draw in a straight line across. Moving up for the beak on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line up, down, back up, and then in towards the middle. And then we'll replicate the shape on the right. So we're going to start back on the side, curving this out, down, up, blending that back in together in the middle. Now for the eyes, on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then we're going to move over on the left hand side and replicate that. Now as we move in for the pupil, we're going to, from that corner, curve this line down towards the middle. And then moving in towards the top, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then moving down, let's replicate that again. For the bow in the center now, we're going to step down, drawing in a circle. To the right of this, we're going to bring this line up, down, and then back in on the bottom. And then we'll replicate that on the left. And then in the center, just curving this line out. Now underneath, we're going to draw in the letter V. And then stepping further out, let's replicate that, making that bigger. Now from here, we're going to draw this diagonal line that comes up towards the center. And then again, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. And now from that point, again, just bringing this line in towards the top. And then underneath for the button, we're just going to draw in a circle. And that is it. That's how you draw Easter Donald Duck. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.